name's Fritz Roth. I'm an equipment sales specialist for MPI Label Systems. We produce labels, so we're a label manufacturer. We are a CTM distributor.
I am Bobby Parks. I'm the Director of Operations for Annin Flag Makers here in Coshocton, Ohio. Annin is the world's largest flag making company in the United States. We've been in business since 1847. We are the oldest manufacturing company in the United States. Part of history, we've the first flag on the moon. We've been there for all the inaugurations. We do the mass market here in Coshocton. We sew the American flag. In 2023, we were notified by one of our customers that they were implementing the RFID inventory label tags. For this customer, we do over 1 million pieces of product a year. So every piece of product that is shipped had to have an RFID tag implemented in 2024. We were hand labeling that process, and it took multiple people to be able to keep up with labeling the RFID tags on the packaging. Came across MPI Labeling, found them online, and talking to them, they were actually the same provider of our inventory RFID labels. And we partnered with them and CTM Labeling to put us together a label machine that would adhere the RFID inventory tags to our poly bags.
Annin has a CTM merge labeler, and it is mounted over a Walco feeder system, which is a vacuum feeding system. They label very lightweight poly bags, so it's kind of a hard product to handle and keep oriented in the way you want it to be, to apply a label accurately time after time.
They made it a very easy process. We went up and we did some testing on the bags itself with the conveyors and everything, and then we implemented the label process to the bags.
We came in, looked at the best way to work the labeler into their manufacturing line. We had to come up with a way that would work for them. So we pre-label the bags. They label those bags in a different location, and they can take them to where they need to. And then they go through what bags are going to be needed for that day or that week.
So adding the machine took us from 82 bags per minute with the machine versus 8 bags per minute. It actually increased our production as well as reducing our labor here.
Prior to that, they were doing it by hand. CTM has revamped the design of their machine in cases for just specific RFID applications, and CTM is always helpful. We work together.
Employees take pride in making the American flag. You know, how many people can say, hey, I was part of making that flag? There is a lot of history here with Annin. Annin has provided the flags for all the presidents that have passed away, put on their caskets. We also work with our local military men and women, provide them flags. They will fly those flags, whether it's in Afghanistan war, Iraq, wherever, and we also display those flags here in our facility. You know, whether you're on vacations or anyway, you always look for the Annin logo to see, you know, where is it's flying. And it's amazing where you'll see it in different locations all over the world.